Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So now is today we will discuss about the markup, mark and the markdown. But before that, first is we need I am going to explain or explain or discuss about the markup. Okay, okay. So let us try understand of some terms which we will encounter of this module. So first is nadiha si cost price. A cost price is the price that a company or store has to pay for the goods it is going to sell or the price that has to be spent to produce goods or services before any profit is added. So like for example, baking ingredients for cookies and raw materials in creating bracelets are some example that comprise the costs. Okay, next one will be the operating cost. Is the price spent relative to the production and sale of commodity. Like for example, class, the operating cost is in selling cookies would be the fare in buying the ingredients, the rent for the store and the packaging and the bills. So, ano ba siya gitawag na other na bills or mga value nun? Tingnan o mga na-cost na okay. Sa imong business. Okay, next will be the profit. Profit is the money is earned after the cost price and the operating cost accounted for after the sale of commodity. So it is the difference between the selling price and the sum of all the total cost or that's cost price and the operating cost para that's our profit. Okay? Next one will be the selling price. Selling price is a price in which the commodity or good is sold for per unit. So here are the example on how to solve the selling price. Okay? Selling price is equal to cost price plus operating expenses plus the profit. Yeah. Okay? Or sa Pakatulad siyang i-shortcut, that's S is equal to C plus E plus P. Whereas, katong gi-mention nga kanina mga letter, that would be the meaning. Kasi mo na yung pasabot. Okay? So, in order for you to come up with a selling price, you have to account all the other expenses and the profit you want to gain. If the selling price is too high, so the customer may not be able to afford it so that they make sure po plus if mag-make mo og ka ng product or business, dapat ka na pong affordable. Kaya ano, the more or the high the selling price, the customer dili afford. So all you need to do is dapat selling price is too I know, I mean ba, okay, balik. On the other hand, if selling price is too low, the company may not gain profit. Though gamay siya o ganang ko in case gamay siya selling price, pero dili kay siya ingon nga dako og tubo. Kay dili kay kamo kita. Mukita ka pero dugay pag ka mabawi. That's ano. All you need to do is dapat you need to balance. Okay? So that would be the markup. Okay, what is markup? Okay, markup is the difference between the selling price and the cost price, and it's sometimes referred to as the margin or the gross profit. So it can also be defined as the sum of all the expenses and also the profit. Okay, kani, to get the markup, atong solve on si markup, markup is equal to the operating expenses plus the profit. And next will be the markup is equal to selling price cost. So when man mo magamit og kaning markup nga kaniyang given and ang markup nga inani ang ano solvon. So ang all you need to do class is you need to analyze the problem kung unsay given sa problem. So ang sa inyong problem ang atong tao ni ang atong naa class kay operating expense and profit. So you will use this one. And also, the other is, if selling price and cost lang ang gihatag, the problem na ko, pwede siya, kani yung gamiton niya, markup na formula. Okay, para mas masabtan, we will have an example. Okay, Sarah would like to resell bags she bought from an online shop which cost 100 pesos each. If the operating expenses was 12%, of the cost, and she wanted to have a profit that is 18% of the cost. Number one question, how much should be her markup? Okay? Again, balik tayo sa what we discussed last time. Last time, I mean in midterm. Only, before you solve, so you need to put first the given kung saan ang gihatag kung sa atong pangitaon. Pinaada si cost, nara sa expenses, napod si profit. Okay? Next is, sa itong i-add, I mean, ato sa itong i-solve si MU. Cost is 100, expenses is 12% of 100, and the profit is 18% of 100. Okay? First one, we need to solve the A and P, the expenses plus the profit. So, kaning 12%, so pila ang 12% sa 100 nga nagasto niya? Okay? That's 12. Okay, and then 18% sa 100 is 18. So, if you add that one, that would be your markup. Wala man siya gipalit gears nag-resell na siya. So, okay. So that's the expenses is our operating expenses. Then kaning 18 is that's the profit. Okay? So if we add 12 plus 18, that will be your markup. So the markup price is 30 for each bag. Okay? So meaning, muna yung markup, muna anong niya, i-add na niya sa iyang katong cost sa bag. Okay? Then, how much is the selling price? Okay? Number one. So, same as example, same as the given here at number one. So, that would be, dili class kay, padili siya na minus. It's because we will solve first the selling price. We already have here the MU or the markup. That would be cost is 100 and the markup is 30. If we add that our be selling price. So meaning Sarah should sell or ibaligyan ni Sarah yung bag at 130 pesos each. Okay? That would be for the markup. If you have question, please ask me. Okay? So, inaalala ang markup. So, in the next video, so I will discuss the mark on and the mark done or what. And then what is their references. Okay? I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you and God bless.